Well, my headphone jack thingy isn't working properly. Fucking piece of trash. Fucking piece of shit. It's not even fucking working. Fucking shit. You're trash as well. You're not even keeping it straight. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Oh, fucking shit. Why are you bending? Why are you fucking bending? Why are you fucking bending? You should not do that. You nimby ass shit. Yo, which we a shitty ass headphone jack. And you have shitty ass headphone jack thingy. I forgot what it's called. Like what? Like it's some sort of port. Like what the fuck? No, but fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit. You garbage. I'm gonna do it. You can't properly plug in, you little piece of shit. You can't do anything right. You can't do anything right. You can't just do anything right. Look at you. You just can't do anything right. Dumb piece of shit. You literally don't fucking work. I tried putting my headphones in you tonight or today, whatever time you were watching this. It's technically like 5, but you're a piece of shit. You should be. You should. You should destroy yourself now. This is a piece of shit. I hope whoever made this should die in hell. Because it's not fucking working. This is not fucking working. You see? Look at that. That's shit quality. It's not even fucking working right now. Do you mean to be charged with it? Is that why? Because you just come out of being charged for like a bidging, whatever. Or like fucking why? You should stop being stuck in 2016 and get a life. You should really, you should do that. Like this headphone jack, it should get a life and or I'll burn it in fucking hell. Yeah, I'm not turning that wording back. It's gonna burn in fucking hell. You see, it's fucking shit. It's fucking garbage. You see? It's fucking garbage. You see, look at this. Look at this. It's fucking garbage. Who is even gonna want to use this? This is absolute shit. This right here. It's absolute shit. It's not even fucking working. Fucking shit. Oh, fucking shit. Yeah, oh, fucking shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I'm gonna kill some pigs. Oh, yeah, fucking pigs. But not fat people, just pigs. Oh, fucking shit. Look at you. Look at that dumbass. Look at that dumbass. Look at this dumbass. Look at this dumbass. Oh, fucking shit. Oh, fucking shit. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.